So before writing it, first read it. The question will be on the board only, okay? For like 5 minutes.
Ma'am, should we write the answer in the chat box?
Yes. So first thing you need to find is calculate. You can take 15 minutes to complete the whole sum, okay?
Okay.
Remember the unit I'm mentioning you, so it'll be easy for you to do. It should be in kilometer per hour. Okay, so remember the units.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, so for the A bit, for the A, should we tell from home to the office or the bus stop to the office?
Home to the office.
Okay.
Totally. Okay. I'm reading the question for all of you all. Ritu runs at a speed of 3 km per hour to reach the bus stop in 15 minutes. She then gets a bus to cover a distance of 12 km to reach her office in 20 minutes. Calculate the distance covered by Ritu in total, that is from her house to the office. Okay. Next is second question is, at what speed did the bus travel? So I want to know, you can see that the bus is covering a distance of 12 km to reach in 20 minutes. So what is the speed of the bus? Third question, what is the total time taken by Ritu to reach her office? We know how much time she took to reach the bus stop. We know how much time she took to reach the office. I want you to find it in hours. You know the answer, it's given in minutes. I want you to find it in hours. So you need to convert it. Okay. Get going. If there's any doubt, please ask me. Exactly by 6:27, I will ask you all to answer. Have all of you noted the question?
Mom, 1 minute. Mom, 1 minute.
Tell me when all of you are done.
And mom.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is Ritesh. I'm done noting down the question.
Okay. All of you are done. Anybody left?
Ma'am.
Start working on it.
Done.
So instead of sending A separately, B separately, once you're done with everything, send A this answer, B this answer all together. Soumya, your first answer is wrong, so recheck.
Ma'am, I didn't note the question. Can you show it?
That's why I was asking. No. Note it down fast. Which question are you in? Quickly noted. Only 15 minutes I've given to solve. Quick.
Ma'am, is my first one correct?
Wait, let him finish noting down the question and we'll check. Are you done noting it, Ashwath?
Mom, 1 minute.
Quickly, for noting itself we're taking so long, how are you going to solve? Okay, this is as simple as this. Okay. First question, Deepika. Unmute your mic. Read the first question.
ma'am.
And read the first question.
Ma'am, A or the question?
A.
Okay. Calculate the distance covered by Ritu in total to reach her office.
So you have a distance. You have a distance from home to bus stop, from bus stop to office. So you have two distances. Got it? Now, first distance. You know that you need to first convert 15 minutes into hours. So how you will do 15 minutes into hours? How many hours? How will you find? You have to
15 divided by 60.
15 divided by 60. What is 15 divided by 60?
Ma'am,
Did you
1
do
by
this
4.
Did you do this step, Deepika? Did you do
Ma'am.
this step?
0.7.
Wait, Deepika, did you do this step? Can you hear me, Deepika?
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can. Did you do this step?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Huh. For 100 times, I'm like telling you, convert, do that first, keep that aside and then do it. Nobody is just directly going with the formula. How will you get it? You need to convert first. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 12s are 60. I'm correct, right? Yeah. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 in decimal is 0.25. So 0.25 hours. Okay.
Mom, I got that right.
Yeah. Now this is the conversion of 15 minutes into hours. Now you need to find the distance. Distance, you know, it is speed into time. So here speed is 3 kilometer per hour. So 3 kilometer per hour into time is 0.25. You will get 0.75. This is the distance from, this is kilometer. Distance from home to
Bus stop.
bus stop. Now clearly we've already given from the bus stop to home, it is 12 kilometers. Just add 12 kilometers, you will get 12.75.
12.775.
This one answer you all can't get.
I'm sorry,
It's
ma'am.
that simple.
Ma'am, I
No.
got till 0.75, but then later I got something wrong.
Later, why are you supposed to get something else? Because 12 is something it's already given. This you get 0.75, it's more than enough. You just need to add it. That's it.
Ma'am, what was 20 minutes?
Sorry?
Ma'am, you said that after we converted 15 minutes into hours, we got 0.25 hours.
Yeah.
And we multiplied 3 into 25, 0.25.
Yeah, in order to get the distance, because that is the formula.
We got 0.75 as the distance.
Yes.
Then how do we add 12 kilometers to it, ma'am?
Because that is the distance from the bus stop to her office. The question is find the total distance to reach her office. You have found the distance only from home to bus stop. Remaining distance, who will write? See, home is here. Bus stop is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Office is here. You have, this is only 0.75. Remaining you need to find, no, here it is 12. So 0.75 plus 12 only is the total, right?
Yes.
Got it? That's why you need to find only this. The remaining, this I've already given over here. So it's easy.
Ma'am,
Is it
I
clear?
know. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear to all of y'all?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody wants me to repeat this again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Second question. At what speed did the bus travel? Okay. You know the speed formula is distance by time. So the speed the bus travels, the distance covered by the bus is 12 kilometers, right? Right? The speed only we need to find. Okay. Now we know the time. Time is what?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Now you need to convert 20 minutes to hours. So 20 by 60. 1 by 3. Which is 0.33. Okay. This is hours. Now you can use the formula nicely. Speed. Speed equals to distance by time. Distance is 12. 12 by 0.33. You can, if you want, you can just remove the decimals. You get 1200 divided by 33. If you do the division carefully, you will get around 36.36. And with found just 36. I told him to find the number after decimal, which is also 36. So 36.36 is the answer. Is it clear? At least if you would have found somewhat close answer, also fine. Nobody even came that close. It's all because of what? This conversion. You all messed up here. That's why the whole sum messed up. Is this second part clear? You want me to explain it again?
Not clear.
Anybody who has a doubt? Okay. Now, Sritej, read the third question.
What is the total time taken by Ritu to reach her office? Find in hours.
What is the first time you converted into hours? You already converted. No, how much did you get? How much did we get? How much did we get first when we converted this 15 minutes into hours?
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
From 0.25.
0.25. Once you converted 20 minutes, what did you get? What have you got? 0.33. So 0.25 plus 0.33, 0.58 hours. That's it.
Ma'am, I got this answer in one of my trials.
Did you put it up?
No, ma'am, trials of the first question.
Is this clear, all of y'all? So it's just because y'all see the sum big, but it's all just small thing. This and all, no calculation itself. From what you found from these two only, you're finding this. Here also no calculation. You're just finding the first part. Second part is already given. Only this is a bit tricky. If I'll give you a similar sum, will you all be able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
This will be your homework. Y'all can work it out.
Can we do a sum right now?
Right now you can, but y'all are not doing it in a jet speed. No, everybody's being very slow. So you have just 15 minutes for the class to get over. So y'all can actually do the homework sum now and writing the answers. I'll tell you if it's correct or wrong. But the corrections and everything and how to do the sum will be told in the next class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it calculate for question A? Is it calculate the time or
Time,
bus?
yeah, time.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, is this homework question?
it is homework question, but you can solve it now also.
Okay. ma'am.
Ma'am, does tuition count at school?
Wait, I'll read it to all of you just a minute. Okay. Sam finishes his exam in 1 hour and goes to play football for 45 minutes. Then he leaves home in his cycle, pedaling at a speed of 7 km per hour to reach his house in 30 minutes. He then leaves for tuitions by bus, which takes him in 20 minutes to cover 4.2 km. First question. Calculate the time spent by Sam at school in minutes. I want it in minutes. Second question. At what speed did the bus travel? I've given the remaining details for the bus, the distance and the time. You know the conversion should be done here. Carefully do the conversion. I'm telling you all, don't forget. Don't simply just multiply here 4.2 and 20 and come to me, or divide 4.2 and 20 and come here. Do the division properly, do the conversion properly. Third question. What is the total distance from Sam's school to his tuition? I'm telling from school to tuition. So you need to find the distance from school to Sam's home, from Sam's home to tuition, and add both of them. D. How far is Sam's house from his school? So here I've given clearly the time and I've also given the speed. Find the distance from his home to school. Are the questions clear? Are the questions clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody has any doubt, please tell me. Please note it down. If you want, you can work it out. Put the answers in the chat box.
Ma'am, in A, they said calculate the time spent by Sam at school in minutes. Ma'am, but
Yes.
in the classroom, he never went to school, right, ma'am? I mean, like, you didn't mention school.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So he has played football and he has written his exam both at the school. Keep it in your mind, everybody. Both exam and football playing was done at school.
Mom, can you check the a bit?
Sorry?
Mom, I sent you in the chat of a bit. Can you check that?
Yeah, sure. All of you are done writing it? Anybody left?
Mummy.
Quickly. Are you done, Ashwath?
No, ma'am.
Which question are you in? Which question?
Ma'am, I'm in the
Yeah? Okay, right. Write it quick.
Ma'am, I wrote the answer in the chat box. Is it right?
Yeah, I'll check because he's still writing, right? I can do only one thing at a time. So once he's done writing, I'll check. Which question, Ashwath? Last question or second question?
Ma'am, first.
Okay, maybe take a picture of it quickly.
Ma'am, I cannot take a screenshot.
Okay, write it quickly. Why are you writing it so slow? Write it quick. When will you solve if you write it this slow?
Ma'am, are my answers correct?
Yeah, wait. Ashwat, are you done?
Ma'am, only 1 minute.
Okay, maybe just put it in your head. Which question ever? Just keep it in your mind and write it. How far is Sam's house from school? Write it. I have to check people's answers. Yes, Aishwarya, correct. Andrit, correct. Chitij, correct. Tarkeshwaran, correct. Anvit, check your answer. First answer. Both for exam and football, he's at a school. So think. Next answers, let me check. Or how much ever you have written, Ashwat, try solving them.